off. Just give us your arm. We can have this.
I won't give you my arm because you're abusing your power.
Give me your arms, mate.
Mate, just put your arm behind your back. Put your arm behind your back. Just cooperate with us. Just cooperate with us. Put your arm behind your back.
Do I have to put my arm behind?
Yes.
Can you please
Because
tell
you're
me
under
why?
arrest.
Okay, guys, I'll go with you, but stop.
Give me
Like
your
I
arm.
told you before, I'm constable
Stop
from
doing it,
Waverley
guys,
Police.
Give me your arm.
Please, guys, stop it.
Give me your arm.
Just cooperate with us.
I'm not doing anything to
Give me
you.
your arm.
Just cooperate. Just
Guys,
cooperate.
Give me
You
your arm.
Mate, just cooperate.
You started on
We
nothing
did
on me.
not. Just cooperate.
Give me your arm.
Cooperate with us, please.
Can you please leave my... I'll come with you to Waverley Police Station.
Well, mate, we're not putting cuffs.
I'll come with you.
Just,
I'm not giving you my arms.
what do you mean you're not giving us your arms?
I'm not going anywhere. Look, guys.
Mate, guys,
Please.
Give me your arm.
guys.
I'm not giving you anything. I haven't done anything wrong.
Is it Dimmy?
Give me your arm.
Dimmy, my name's Emily. This didn't
please.
have to get like this, okay?
Emily,
All
please
we
stop
want
it.
to do,
Okay,
for
look.
your safety and ours, okay, we just need to put your cuffs on you, okay? And then we'll sort it out. Listen to me, Dimmy.
Please, guys, I'll wait for you.
Dimmy, listen to me.
Give me
Guys,
your arm.
You're making laugh at yourself. Everybody.
Give me your
Guys,
arm.
please. Stop it.
Give me
Stop
your
it,
arm.
Come on, mate.
I'm not giving you my arm, but please stop it, guys. Guys, this is stupid. Come on. Guys, you put yourself in embarrassing.
What do we?
You're putting yourself
Give
in
me your
embarrassing
arm.
situation, guys.
Give me your
Guys.
arm.
Guys, please.
Give me your arm.
Just cooperate with us.
Emily, okay, but stop.
Just cooperate with us, and none of this has to
Stop the
happen.
handcuff. Stop the
Suburbs
handcuff.
143.
Can you please stop the
me your arm.
handcuff?
Give me
Guys,
your arm.
please stop the handcuff.
Yeah, radio, can we get another car to Ben Bucker Reserve? We just have a male that's
Please
resisting.
stop the handcuff, guys.
Come on.
Can you stop the handcuff?
That's not what happened at all.
Give me your arm.
Guys, I'm not giving anything. Stop the handcuffs thing.
Come on.
Hey, Redley.
Come on.
Redley, can you pick up my shoes and
Just,
my glasses,
if
please?
you can, mate, if you can just cooperate with us, we can do this civilly. He's not cooperating,
Guys.
though. That's the thing.
Okay,
It doesn't matter.
Guys, I'll cooperate with you. Stop it. Okay. Don't pull. You break my watch. And my phone, guys, please. Redley, my phone's somewhere here.
We'll organise all your stuff. We'll organise all your stuff.
give me your
Just
arm.
give us your
My
arm.
phone-
We can have this.
I won't give you my arm because you're abusing your power.
Mate, we're just trying to sort this out.
no.
And we need
Sort
to
out
do this
what?
in a safe way, okay?
Sort out what?
Call someone else and talk to somebody. He doesn't want to go anywhere.
Well, he
Yeah,
doesn't-
just back up a couple steps for me now.
Guys,
He can breathe.
guys, I'm not going anywhere. I'll sit on you. I give you my word.
Two steps back
No,
from me.
for your safety and ours. For your safety and ours, okay? For your safety and ours, all right?
Give me your arm, man.
Guys, I'm
For
giving you
your
my word.
safety,
Give
we
me your
just
arm.
need to
I
put your
won't
other
give
cuff
you my
on,
arm.
okay? And
Guys,
then we can sort it
until
out.
another car arrives, I will not compromise.
What car?
Give me
Another
your
car's
arm.
coming, okay?
Okay, I'll talk to them.
Another.
Go away, mate. Go. Back up for me.
Hey, Redley, can you please call my wife and tell her that I'm being
Back up, man.
040.
All you have to do is cooperate with us, okay? And we can sort it all out.
Unreasonable. I will not cooperate with you.
You're
I will,
just.
I will lodge the
All you have
complaint.
to do is cooperate
This
with
is
us.
going to be all over news.
Just letting you know
It's
you've
going to
been
be all
recorded,
over
okay?
news. It's going to be all over news. Guys,
Just
please.
Jimmy, what we need
It's
you to
going
do
to
is
be
just
all over news.
cooperate with us, okay?
It's going to be all over news.
Just
You stop
cooperate
me
with
for
us.
nothing. You stop me for nothing. You'll be in big
We
trouble.
didn't stop you for
You'll be in
nothing.
trouble, guys.
We did
I
not stop
haven't
you for
done anything
nothing.
wrong. You stopped me for nothing. You attacked me.
We stopped you because you
attacked
came out
me.
of a closed
It's going to
park.
be on the news everywhere.
But you came
You're
out
going
of-
to be in newspapers tomorrow. So I suggest we call it off.
Because 143 says he's proceeding.
I suggest we
Sorry,
call it off.
142.
Redley, my
Sorry,
phone. Can you
142.
please find my phone?
Stay down, man. Stay down.
Mate,
142 on Bedford.
Can you please find my
Mate.
phone?
Situation update.
Hey.
just.
Stay down.
Hey guys, stop it! Stop it! Can you get my phone, please?
You've got it in your hand. Just.
You break my watch.
Well, all you have to do is cooperate
Guys, stop it!
with us.
Stop it,
All you
guys!
have to do is cooperate with us, okay?
You break my watch!
All you have to do is
You
cooperate.
break my watch! Stop it!
Dimmy, all you have to do is cooperate.
Stop it, you break my
If
watch.
you weren't resisting, we wouldn't even have to put the cuffs on you,
Come
mate.
on, I wasn't resisting.
You were.
I wasn't.
It's for our safety, okay, and
Please,
yours.
guys, please.
For our safety and yours, we have to.
I wasn't resisting. You were unreasonable.
Yeah, it's not his uncle too. He's not being violent, he's just turtling on us.
I'm not being unreasonable. Come on.
30 encroaching on us.
Dimmy,
I'm not being unreasonable, guys. Come
you
on.
are being unreasonable. All you need to do is cooperate with us. Put the cuffs on for our safety and
no,
yours.
Guys, please take off the handcuffs. Take off the cuffs. I'll
No.
give you my name and you can do whatever.
At this point, we just need to
give me
ensure
your
that
arms,
everyone's
man.
I'll give
safety.
you my arm.
Okay.
Pressure their position as well. No one being involved at this stage. But cars make their way.
Please, guys.
Dimmy,
Please.
Just give me your arm
Please.
and we can sort it out, mate.
Please.
all we need to do.
Please, guys.
It's at this point. It's for all our safety, okay?
Guys, please. Say again.
It's just for our safety and
No,
yours.
I wouldn't sit here for handcuff. Come on, guys.
That's okay. For our safety,
Come on, guys,
we need
please.
to put these cuffs on you. So
Please,
that
guys,
you're
please.
just resisting, and
Please,
for our
I'm not
safety.
resisting. I'm resisting. Put your handcuffs on me. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. You're breaking my arm.
Break your arm.
Come on, guys. You broke my arm.
We're not breaking
Give
your
me
arm.
your arm.
Dimmy,
You broke my arm.
we didn't. Mate, just put.
Come on, guys.
Give me your arm, mate. It's not difficult.
Come on. Can you take it? Go on my. I'm losing the blood. Come on,
other
guys.
car.
Look at my arm.
All you have
Give
to
me
do is
your arm.
Look at my arm. I can't. My arm is getting blue.
Your arm is not getting blue.
Come on, my arm is getting blue. Look at this. Look. It's blue.
Give me your arm.
Hey, it's blue, mate.
Give me your arm.
Can you
Give
undo
me
it?
your arm.
Can you undo it?
Get rid of
No.
them. They're getting right up on us.
Wait.
Hello. Just one of you. Just turtling. He can't get his arms.
Guys,
Don't grab me.
I'm not doing anything. Just
Put your arms behind your back. Put your arms behind your back.
Grab your arms.
Break them out for us.
Come on. Come on, guys.
Give me your arm.
I'm doing handcuff.
He's got cuffs on there.
Hey, I'm doing handcuff.
Guys, just.
I'm releasing the car. Yeah, come on. I'm releasing the handcuff. I'm releasing the handcuff. Left arm, guys. Left arm. Look at left arm. Look at this. Right, left arm. Can you undo that?
We can't because it took us.
Can you release the? Come on, release the handcuff on the left arm. Come on.
Relax.
Have you guys got on video, guys? It's ridiculous.
Listen to the officer.
Yeah, just
Dimitri.
about stuff. Mate, undo the arm.
Is Dimitri?
You need to stand up. You're going to come to the truck with us, okay?
Mate, undo the left arm. Look at the handcuff on the left arm. Come on.
It didn't need to be this way, mate.
It
Stand up.
didn't need to be like
I'm a
this.
respectable,
Loosen it in a second. Jump up, loosen at the truck.
I'm a respectable local guy.
Come on, mate.
Hey, my phone.
We'll get it.
I've
We'll
got
get
it.
it.
I've got it, okay? I've got
Can I
it.
get my shoes?
We'll sort it out.
Come on.
He's got it. We'll get it off him before we go. I promise.
My arm, guys. Come on.
Once you get off there.
Guys, can you get it on video?
They've got it on video. 20 of them do.
About 1 million people have it, okay? It's gonna be okay. All we needed to do was for you to cooperate with us. We didn't need it. It
Guys,
didn't
you
need
are
to be like this.
unreasonable.
It didn't need to be
You
like
are
this at
most
all.
unreasonable. Most unreasonable. Your handcuffs, they're fucking you're breaking my arms, guys. Come on, man.
Nobody's breaking your arm, mate. Come on.
Come on.
Times,
It didn't need to be like this at all.
come on, guys.
Come on. Oh,
Can you loosen?
come on, pop in there.
Can you loosen, guys? Come on.
Just stay where you are.
Come on. Look what you've done.
Don't do anything.
No, come on, look at that.
Come on, we're gonna sort it out for you, okay?
Stay still.
No, man, please, no, this is
Come on,
Okay, it's loose enough. Come on.
Jump in, man.
pop in first.
It's badly.
Jump in.
Pop in.
Sit it. Put your legs up. Sit up.
Put your legs.
Way too much to...
We'll take them off back to the station.
Didn't they take my stuff?
No.
Sorry.
They have all your things.
Who's in this truck?
Yeah, that's us. Just chuck it there. We'll put it up.
Yeah.
Who's the rest?
Oh, mine.
Yeah, need anything?
No.
No, I need water.
This is car for the Feedbad Burger Restaurant, McKean Street at Maroubra.
Well,
Someone's call says now the restaurant's
Try to get
conducting
someone's
business as usual with
20 people
opening
filming it.
people dining
Fucking
inside
shit.
and outside, alcohol and drinks being served.
yeah, no, he's just coming up.